Hello students, the given question is from test series 3 subject analog from the chapter operational amplifier and its application. It is a linked data question. Assuming ideal op-amp behavior, we need to find out the condition for the oscillation in the above circuit. This is the given circuit. It is having two op-amps, op-amp 1 and op-amp 2. The negative terminal of this op-amp 1, it is connected with one resistance. R1 value is 10K and it is serially connected with one capacitance. The value of this capacitance is 0.01 microfarad. And here we are giving the input voltage. The positive terminal of op-amp 1 is grounded. The output of that is V0 of op-amp 1. It is connected with one resistance R2 10K and with capacitor C2 0.01 and it is connected to op-amp 2 of the positive terminal. The negative terminal is connected with resistance and capacitance, and this is the output V0. Here we need to find out the condition for the oscillation for this circuit. So V0 of S divided by Vi of S equal to minus 1 by C1 S. C1 is capacitor 1 into 1 by R1 into 1 by C2 S divided by R2 plus 1 by C2 S into R3 plus 1 by C3 into S whole divided by R3. Further simplifying this, we will get this step. It will be equal to minus 1 by C1 of S, 1 by R1 into 1 by 1 plus R2 C2 S multiplied with 1 plus R3 C3 S whole divided by R3 C3 S. Therefore, V0 of j omega divided by Vi of j omega equal to 1 divided by resistance R1 and capacitance C1 and capacitor C3 omega square multiplied with 1 plus j omega R3 C3 by 1 plus j omega R2 C2. Here when V0 is feedback as Vi, if R3 and C3 is equal to R2 into C2, the imaginary part becomes, this is the condition for the oscillation for the given circuit. So the final condition, that is R3 C3 equal to R2 C2, this value is satisfied with option A. So option A is the correct one. Thank you.